Hello students of class 10. In this video, I will discuss one revision chapter. That is, the name of the chapter is Waste Management. Though we have already done, still I will discuss some important topic or the full chapter in detail once. So beforehand, let's check the syllabus once again, geography syllabus for your upcoming examination. First is the atmosphere chapter is there, then satellite, then agriculture, India from agriculture to last, including map pointing, and there is waste management chapter. Okay, this is the syllabus for your upcoming examination of 50 marks. Atmosphere, satellite, agriculture to last, including map pointing, that is India, and waste management. Now, first, we will discuss the important parts and whatever already done, though done previously, but again I am revising once. So, this chapter is waste management. First, what is waste? The discarded things from nature, the substance which is discarded after primary use is called waste. The substance which is discarded means that is left after primary use, after using, the things that are left behind and that is of no use is called waste. Waste may be gathered from locality, waste may be gathered from household, from clinics, from dispensaries, from kitchen, from school, from office. There are different ways of accumulation of waste. Based on the physical, depending upon the physical state, waste are of 3 types. Waste are of 5 types, depending upon the physical state. What are the 5 types of waste? The 5 types of waste are solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste, toxic waste, and non-toxic waste. These are the 5 types of waste on the basis of physical states: solid, liquid, gaseous, toxic, and non-toxic. So, we will discuss each one by one along with examples. So, first is the solid waste. What is solid waste? The waste that is discarded in solid form. The waste that is discarded in solid form is called solid waste. These waste include the paper, the plastics, the household waste, the kitchen waste that are all discarded after primary use, which is solid in nature. They are called solid waste. It includes broken glasses, bottles, then discarded tires, etc. These are all solid waste. Then liquid waste. Liquid waste means again the things that is liquid in nature. Liquid in nature, that used oil, excess manure, sewage, effluents from industries, from households, all these are liquid waste. Then gaseous waste, the waste that is gaseous in nature, they are called gaseous waste. Gaseous waste includes the dust, fume, gases, cigarette fumes, etc. emitted from households, emitted from industries, and emitted from vehicles. All these are gaseous waste. Next, toxic waste. We know what is the meaning of the word toxic. Toxic means hazardous or dangerous, okay, or poisonous. The waste that causes the waste that causes problem, the waste that causes problem to the nature, that pollute the nature, that causes harm to the nature are called toxic waste. Toxic waste includes toxic waste includes cyanide compounds, chlorinated compounds. Those are all emitted from industries, mainly from industries, from atomic power plants. Those are called the toxic waste. And non-toxic waste means the waste that does not cause any pollution, that are not poisonous. they are eco-friendly and does not causes any pollution. Example, vegetable peels, eggshells, bits of paper, etc. Now see one thing. Here or you will get what type of question from this part? What is the definition of waste can come? Or classify waste on the basis of physical existence can come. If you get this question, so what you will write for 5 marks? First of all, the definition which will come in the form of introduction. What is waste? And then the depending upon the physical state, the characteristics, the classifications are as follows. Namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already in the class I had discussed that when you will write in point wise, you will use two colored ink. One black and blue. Black for writing the points and blue for explaining the points. Okay. That here in this way you will, if you write, you can get good marks because this is a scoring part. Very scoring part. From here, you can get the differences between toxic and non-toxic waste. Differences between toxic and non-toxic waste means toxic waste can be causes pollution, does not causes pollution. Toxic waste are not eco-friendly, they are eco-friendly. They causes harm, does not causes harm. Emitted from, example, cyanide compound, chlorinated compound, examples, bits of paper, eggshells, skins of vegetables, etc. In this way, difference you can write. Now, next part, though it is not given here, already discussed in the first video, that is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable and what is non-biodegradable waste? The waste that can be mixed with the soil easily, they are called biodegradable waste. The waste that does not mix with the soil directly is called non-biodegradable waste. So, example, you know that eggshells, vegetable peels, tea leaves, these are biodegradable waste. They can easily get mixed with the soil. And non-biodegradable means that does not mix with the soil, like plastic. Plastic takes 1 million years to mix up with the soil. So, it will not mix up with the soil. It will chop the drainage, it will chop the sewage system, it causes disturbance in the sewage system. So, here definition of biodegradable waste with example, definition of non-biodegradable waste with example, and the differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Important. Okay. Next, the on the basis of source. What do you mean by source of waste? Source means from where the waste is generated. From where the waste has been generated. It can be generated from household, from hospital, from municipal, for organic, from biomedical, from agriculture, from industrial. Different sources are there. These are the source of origin. So what are the sources? First source is the domestic waste. On the basis of source. First is domestic. What is domestic waste? The waste that is discarded from residential houses, from our household. These are called domestic waste. Every day we know that every day in the morning, the people from the municipal corporation, they come and they beep that whistle and blow whistle, and they take the waste from our household. These wastes are the household waste. Household waste is the bits of paper, then other broken things, plastics, vegetable peels, etc. Eggshells. These are all domestic waste. Domestic waste are mainly non-hazardous waste. Next, industrial waste. Industrial waste are the waste that has been generated from industries. These industrial waste may be very polluting. They can cause harm to the nature. Because before disposing in the nature, if we will not able to properly go through the procedure of cleaning the harmful chemicals from the effluent, it may cause pollution. So the industrial waste includes cyanide compound, chlorinated compound, gaseous forms, mineral soils, etc. Now agricultural waste. Agricultural waste are those waste which are generated from agriculture. Agriculture Agriculture means when the farmers utilize pesticides, fungicides, weedicides. Those are not good for the soil. They are not good for the air also. They causes waste and they causes poison to the nature. So they are called agricultural waste. Then municipal waste. Municipal waste means the household things, household waste every day that is discarded from school, from office, from households. These are all municipal waste. Example: paper, metal, clipboard, cupboards. All these are municipal waste. Then organic waste. Organic waste means that we throw every day in actually made up of organic waste. Organic waste means fruits, vegetables, leftover vegetables, seafoods, fish. All these are all organic waste. Then biomedical waste, very important. Instead of biomedical waste, you can get that pathological waste or medical waste. All these are important. This point is very important for 2 marks or MCQ. The biomedical waste, the waste that is discarded from hospitals, from dispensaries, from pathology, etc. It includes broken syringe, wood, means cotton balls, then the dressing materials, blood, urine. All these are pathological or medical waste, or hospital waste can also come. There are different names. One, that is hospital waste can come, pathological waste which can come, then biomedical waste can come. Then radioactive waste. Radioactive waste are those wastes that are generated from nuclear power station. They are very harmful. They causes radioactive means effect on us, and if not properly treated, then it must be away from the locality and it may cause a serious damage. Examples are nuclear plant means uranium, plutonium, thorium. All these are radioactive waste. Okay, so from this part, what you will read? The name of the parts: the domestic, industrial, agricultural, municipal, organic, biomedical, radioactive. So individually these can come in short question. For short question, along with definition and example, individually they can come. Okay. Now next part, this part we will read now, and in the next video I will continue the next part. So first, what are the effect of waste on environment? How waste affect the environment? Accumulation of waste due to its improper disposal may causes havoc, damage. It may causes chronic problem to mankind and animals. Waste harmful or hazardous waste, if not discarded properly, it causes hazardous damage to the nature. So waste must be properly treated before it get mixed up with the environment. Okay, so here see one yellow box is there. The nuclear or radioactive waste, sometimes called split fuel, is dangerously radioactive and remains so for thousands of years. Another is electronic waste or e-waste. What is electronic waste or e-waste? The waste that is discarded from electronic media. It may be the unused computer, monitor, then keyboard, mouse. All these are e-waste. Okay. So this is the I am giving the informations from this part. So in next video I will continue the next part of the chapter. Thank you.